What is it? Is that your sheep? What does the sheep say? Uh-huh. What does the pig say? Paige. Gross. What does the pig say? Paige. Paige, look at Mommy. What does the cow say? Oh, that's gross, Paige. You got this big bubble. Paige, what does the kitty say? Is this your kitty right here? Who's this? Can you say kitty? Oh, you're a dork. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Dirk, what's your kitty? Don't tip over. Say bye-bye. Nope. There you go. That's your favorite word.